Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a banded routine for shoulder health. There's 4 exercises and we're going to do it like a follow along. The first exercise, once you've got your band, is banded pull aparts. I'll show you from a few different angles. What we want to try to concentrate on here is keeping the shoulders down. We don't want the shoulders to come up like this. Keep the shoulders down. We're going to move through protraction, just relaxing at the front of the movement, keeping the arms locked out, and then we're going to keep the shoulders down in depression, and we're going to squeeze into retraction. So we're going to do 20 reps of this one. All right, let's go for it. So shoulders down, big squeeze, back to here. Shoulders down, big squeeze. That's 2. I'll show you from this angle. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Big squeeze at the back. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. All right, the next exercise I like to do, you're gonna wrap the band around a pole. Just grab one side of the band, and we're gonna go external rotation first. So opening up through here, trying to keep a nice right angle. So opening up. Let's do 20 reps of this one again. 4, 5, 6. This one you should just feel it in the rotator cuff. 8, 9, 10. If you want to make it easier, you can step closer. If you want to make it harder, you step away. I'm just going to go a little closer, starting to really fatigue through the shoulders now. Opening up as much as you can, trying to keep that elbow nice and close. We've got 2 more reps. Nice. And then we keep with the same hand and we turn around. And this one, we're going to work on internal rotation. So I'm pulling across the body. This one gets the pec minor involved as well, so we're just pulling across the body. Let's go for it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's halfway. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, switch arms. We'll go external rotation first. So just here, we'll just show you from a different angle. Let's go. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, turning around again and pulling across the body, just like this. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of like your elbow's moving like a hinge, so you're opening up like a door. So you don't want to move the elbow too much. You want to keep it nice and close. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, the next exercise is banded circles. Again, we're going to stick with a 20 rep range. Keep it nice and simple. You're going to hold the band up above your head, and we're going to draw these circles. So feel like your scapula is moving in this like circular motion. We're going to do 20 reps in each direction. So just pulling, holding some tension. Again, make it harder, come forward. To make it easier, step back. This feels pretty good for me, so I'm just feeling that light tension on the shoulders. You don't want to make it, it's not a max effort. You just want to get some blood flowing and put some tension on the shoulders so they get really strong and stable. So 20 reps here. That's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Make sure you keep your arms locked out. We're going to go back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, and then we're going to go down to this position. So we call this position Y position, T position, and then arrow down here. So we're going to go through all three. Step forward, again, 20 reps, these little circles. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Should be starting to feel it now in the shoulders. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It's kind of hard to count and do this at the same time. Down the bottom now. That's 5. Let's keep it going. I won't count every rep. Just follow along. Nice circles. Feeling like that shoulder's moving or the scapula's moving in that nice circular motion. We've got 5 reps to go. If it's too hard, you can step back closer and back the other way. That was 20. Nice. I'm feeling a solid pump in the shoulders now, really getting that blood flowing. Great warm-up, like I said at the start of the video, really good warm-up. If you're working on rehabilitation, you can do this a few rounds through. I normally just go 1 round. 1 round's enough to activate the shoulders, ready for your strength session. A couple more reps. All right, so banded circles done. Last exercise. Call this one raises. So again, it's a straight arm movement. We're gonna keep our shoulders down in the beginning, and we're just gonna hold the band supinated like this. I'll show you from this angle, and we're just gonna pull up to about shoulder height and back down to here. Again, 20 reps. Let's go for it. That's 3. So just following along, big squeeze. This one you'll feel it through like the front delt, the rear delt, side delts. That's 10. With this one, to make it easier, you go a little wider. I'm starting to really fatigue now through the shoulders, so I just want to make it a bit easier because this is not a max effort. Again, we're just getting them really warmed up, creating nice strength and stability for strong, healthy shoulders. All right, 5 more reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew! Oh yeah, really feeling that. So again, 1 round is awesome for a warm-up. If you want to do 1 to 3, if you're feeling like your shoulders need a little bit extra work. And that's it, banded routine for strong, healthy shoulders.